Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the Dirty Money Part 1 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To complete this mission, we have two tasks: seize the bank records and seize the mini vault records. First, we need to seize the bank records. Head straight over to the main big bank. Walk inside through the front entrance, and right on the ground floor to your right, you will see an office. Head inside, find the files sitting on the top of the desk and seize them. Second, you need to seize the mini vault records. Drive or fly over to the mini vault located right at this exact spot on the map. Head into the rooms on the left side, locate the files and seize them as well. Once both records are seized, head straight back to the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, and turn in the mission to complete it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.